Oh
Move
no!
it!
What time?
Move it!
I'm
Move
going.
it!
I'm going.
Late!
Okay. Okay. Chill.
You're fired!
Oh my! You're ridiculous.
Go!
No, I'm going.
Don't come back fired!
See ya, boss.
Hurry! Fired!
Breakfast meeting! Breakfast meeting!
Too cold. Like my ex. Should have brought a scarf.
I know my rights!
Did that bird just talk?
Pretty sure it did.
Yep. Okay. So, you're free to go, I guess.
Much obliged, officers.
What to do with the mic?
Send snacks immediately.
Wait, what?
Unit 12, repeat. Did you say snacks?
Hold on.
Send snacks immediately. Dispatch, disregard, false transmission.
Copy that, 12. I'll pencil you in for donuts.
Oh, man. I Googled it. You're fine.
Oh, what? No.
Seriously. Just drink some water, maybe a nap. You'll be good.
You're a bird.
A well-informed bird.
Oh my goodness.
Bravo!
All right, that's enough. Let's.
Oh, you got him.
Hey, does food look like me?
Did you just talk?
You heard me! Green, orange, little bits of me everywhere! What kind of monster cooks Cousin Carl?
Easy, buddy.
Drop the forks, humans! Ah!
Save him! Save him!
It's a sponge! Oh, animal cousin! Look at him go!
He's got more moves than I do.
Oh my gosh, he's so off key! Let's go, Polly!
All right, I can't just watch this. I'm in.
Officers got wings!
This is definitely going viral.
Like, subscribe, or I come to your house.